This is one of the problems with the people who are so anti-hierarchy, like the radical leftists. Well, there shouldn't be hierarchies. It's like, okay, then why do something?
Well, that argument is so foolhardy that it's difficult to take seriously, but you do have to engage in it. And I think when you engage in it, it's really fascinating to watch because it's like you're playing a game of chess with someone who only has a couple of pieces. They have this strong move that they do, but you've got all these other pieces, and you're like, well, let's just keep this game going until this comes to this logical conclusion, which is checkmate. There's hierarchies all throughout nature. It doesn't mean people should suppress people. It doesn't mean people shouldn't have rights. It doesn't mean people should enforce themselves or force themselves on other folks. That's not what it means.